Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. This is your general reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthday. So you can let me know in the comment section if you are having your birthday so that I can wish you personally. Okay, so let's start your general reading, okay, for the February 2021, and let's see what are the messages for February 2021 for Aquarius. And you can ask me anything if you want, okay, in the comment section. And while shuffling and while I was doing meditation and all, the thing which I was getting is that things are changing at a cellular level, Aquarius. Okay, there is a deep healing which is happening for you. There are energetic upgrades, there is an awakening, there is a transformation which is taking place for you, because you are birthing a new age here, Aquarius. As you know, this is the golden age of Aquarius. So you are getting transformed, transformation and awakening is happening because you are here on planet Earth to birth a new age, and you are birthing new creations, you are dreaming a new world into being. So let's see what are the messages. Let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to all my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. Okay, so you just need to say yes. Okay, whatever is happening in your life, you just need to say yes and go with the flow. So let's start your reading. So first message for you is dance with life. Do something to change your energy, Aquarius. This message was there in your previous reading too, that you need to change your energy. Do something which you like you can do dance, you can sing. If you are singing, you can walk, you can play, you can write, you can do painting, uh, whatever changes your energy, like whatever changes your positive energy. Okay, whatever makes you more passionate, do that thing. So do something to change your energy, Aquarius. Dance with the life. Then there is Council of Light, divine orchestrations, helpers in subtitle reams. Beautiful and very powerful message for you, that you just do not worry at all. They are divine, they are divine, they are universe, they are everyone, angels and sisters with you to help you out. You are not alone. Okay, you do not have to do it alone. You are, the Council of Light is with you. The next message for you is soul family. Call in your soul tribe. You do not have to do it all alone. Okay, the help is here. You just need to call in your soul tribe. And there is council of light, the divine is with you. They are with you. They are, helping you out. Then there is sisterhood of the rose, beauty and devotion, priestess and mystic and teacher. So some of you Aquarius can be a mystic teacher, or some of you can be a tarot reader, okay, because you are having a light inside of you. So you just need to, devote into your beauty and your devotion. You can use your intuitions, as the your intuition is very much high right now. You are very intuitive. So just you are the, sisterhood of the rose. Just tune into the beauty and devotion of the priestess and mystic and the teacher. So then there is no, wait, postpone, pause and say no. So for this is a specific message for someone, that you need right now to say no to something, and just need to pause, wait, and just say no. Okay, you know better your situation. Apply according to your situation on which it applies, and if it doesn't apply, you can skip it out. Then there is Mintakan, longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. Okay, so I told you some of you Aquarius are the light workers. You are the star seeds. You are here on the planet Earth to spread light, to bring the frequencies, to raise the frequencies of Mother Earth. So some of you Aquarius are thinking that you do not belong here, you are longing for home. Why you are thinking like this? Because you are the original light workers. Okay, that's why you are feeling like, I want to go home, this is not the place where I belong. You must be thinking like that. Why you are thinking like that? Because you are the original light workers. Okay, then there is leap. You go first, universe will catch you. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Do not stuck. 0707 was the recording reading time. Do not stuck in a particular energy. Just take a leap of faith and, take a first step in a forward direction. The universe will catch you up. The universe will be guiding you. The universe, the divine is looking towards you, so that you can take a first step in a forward direction. Once you take a forward direction, once you take a step towards a forward direction, they will help you out more. Okay, because God helps those, divine help those who try to help themselves first. So you have to take that first leap of faith for yourself. Then there is star seeds. What lights you up? See, I told you some of you Aquarius are the star seeds, some of you are the light workers. So you need to, think that what are the lights which lights you up. Basically, what are the things which bring passion inside of you. You need to focus on yourself. Then there is unbound, releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. And then there is Imara, where are you being called to journey to? So now, right now, you are releasing old soul contracts, which you are having, soul patterns, and the past life karma and this lifetime karma. So you're releasing that, and you are being called, to do a new chapter of your life. Your soul is trying to guide you, that there is a journey which is, trying to call you. So you need to ask yourself, where are you being called to do a journey? Okay, so right now, just releasing soul patterns and contracts of this lifetime, of the past lives. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Let's add 5 messages from the Star Seed Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages for Aquarius for February 2021, which I need to deliver. Give me the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. The cosmic heart, devotion, potency, make your life a moving prayer. See, I told you that you need to take a first step. Do not be, feel stuck or stagnant. Do stagnant in a particular energy or a particular life. Okay, you need to keep moving. Keep your life moving in a moving prayer. You have the cosmic heart, so you just need to make your life a moving prayer. Okay, do not stop, keep moving in a forward direction, and you will survive this inner earth. New solutions and new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. You will survive this. You just need to keep moving. Whatever situation right now is happening, that is happening because you are releasing old soul contracts and the patterns and the past life karmas. Okay, and you are going to survive this because new solutions and new beginnings are coming for you. The next message for you is called Soul Gifts and Training. It's time to step up. So see, I told you that your soul is trying to tell you that there is a journey which is trying to guide you. Your soul is trying to tell you that you are having a journey. Okay, just you have to focus on that thing. You are having, your soul is having rare gifts, and your soul is having, soul training is happening. It's just time to step up. This is a time where you have to step up to your own light, because your soul is getting training for this for many lifetimes. You are having very rare gifts inside of you. You just need to, realize your own self worth. You are the child of the cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. See, I told you that you are the child of the cosmos. You are the child of the universe. You are the child of the divine, the child of the cosmos. You do not worry at all. The intelligence of the universe, the knowledge of the universe lies within yourself. Then there is the great serving, Mars energy, anger, conflict, softening to love. So do not worry at all. Whatever I told you, whatever is happening is just because of the Mars energy. Maybe in your chart you are having the Mars energy, and that is affecting you. And because of the Mars energy, there is anger and there is conflict. But do not worry. You need to soften to the love. Love is your energy, so you need to focus on that. So beautiful message from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Surrender to the journey. Okay, you just need to surrender yourself. Release control. If you are having any control on your journey, you just need to release that. Okay, let's see what, give me the 5 messages for Aquarius reading for February. What are the messages? 2 more cards. Infinite abundance is pouring into your life. So you are abundant of everything. I always tell you this. So infinite abundance is waiting for you. It is coming for you. Okay, abundance is pouring into your life. Clear the past, heal the present, rejuvenating rain. You need to clear the past and heal the present. Some of you Aquarius, you need to do your healing. You need to clear the past, clear the clutter, clear out anything, just let go and forgive yourself or anyone which hurt you, or anything in the past. You need to clear it out. Rejuvenating rain, and heal your present. Because why I'm telling this, because great adventure is coming for you. And see, again the message is take a risk, venture forward. So you need to take a step, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You need to take a first step towards in a forward direction. So great adventure is coming for you. You just need to take a step in a forward direction. That is the message I'm getting for every deck. And today's message is that you need to take a first step, Aquarius, in a forward direction. Do not stuck in an energy and move in a forward direction, because beautiful things are waiting for you. Then there is watching cloud. Lie back, rest and relax. Crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. See, Both messages are here, so that which are telling me that right now you just need to heal yourself, and you are crossing the bridges. That means you are, moving in a forward direction. Can you see how this girl is moving in a forward direction? So you just need to heal yourself, you just need to release your past, and it's time for you to do your healing, connecting to the divine. Just lie back and spend some time into nature, sit back, relax and rest. So beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what is the message from the unicorn cards. I have already pre-shuffled the cards before recording your reading, but let's see what are the messages. Give me one more card. No, they're asking me to stop. Okay. So the first message for you is moving. Change is happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. See, I told you that today's message is very specific here and very clear, that you need to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, move in a forward direction because change is happening for you. So just you need to prepare to move. Either some of your Aquarius are changing home, okay, you are changing physically, or you are changing spiritually. You're becoming more spiritual than before. You are moving on your soul purpose, your soul journey, because there is a specific message in everything, that there is a journey, it's time for you to step up. There is a call of journey, which is, your soul is trying to tell you that where are you being called to journey to. So there is a calling which is happening for you. So either you are moving on a physical level or on a spiritual level, but you are moving in a forward direction, you are not stopping. Then there is soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose today. See, I told you that you can become more spiritual than before. So some of you Aquarius, you need to work on your soul purpose today only. Start working on your soul purpose. 1717 was the recording reading time. You are having a soul purpose. You know better what is your soul purpose. You need to work on your soul purpose as soon as possible. Do not stuck in the past. Do not stuck on those things which don't serve your highest good. Just move in a forward direction and work on your soul purpose. Then there is prompting. Call a friend today. You can call a friend today so that you can take a help from them if you're requiring any kind of help. So call a friend. Then there is, so that they can help you out. And can you see in this picture, there is a dog and there is a unicorn, there is a cat here. So yes, your cat dog is here, and there is a unicorn, and this man is talking on the phone. So maybe you're having animals in your family, in your home, but the other meaning of these animals is that the dog is the loyal one, the loyal animal, and the cat is also the loyal one, and she is very intuitive. Cats are very intuitive. So use your intuitions, and you are use the loyalty. You know who is the loyal and intuitive friend of yours. So call any friend today if you think that you are requiring any help. Then there is King of the Unicorns. You are blessed with majesty, vision and power. And that's right, you are blessed with vision, majesty and powers. Use that powers to work on your soul purpose. Okay, you need to work on your soul purpose. These are the messages of this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one or two cards from the colors, and let's see what are the messages from the colors for Aquarius for February 2021. Give me one more. Okay, I got two. Burgundy, awaken your passion. See, I told you, you can use burgundy color around yourself. You can wear it out. But the message is that you need to activate your passion, okay? Activate your passion, Aquarius. Work on your passion. You are full of passions. You need to activate your passion here. Awaken your passion, activate your passion. You need to work on your passion basically. Then there is black fine riches from the dark night. Okay, maybe some of you Aquarius are going through a dark night here, because here I'm having that you are releasing soul patterns, contracts, and the past lives. Okay, so this is maybe some of you are going through a dark night of a soul because you are releasing soul patterns and the contracts and the karma which you are having from the past lives or from this lives. So you can use black color, and the black color says that you have to find richness from your dark night. Okay, from the things which are dark, uh, you need to find that richness. So this is the message from the color. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add one message from the angel guide. I got this deck today only, and I'm going to use it for the first time for you. Let's see what are the messages. Let's see what is the message from the angels. Give me the messages for Aquarius February 2021 which I need to deliver. What are the messages from the angels? One more. Beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having listen deeply. There is an angel here. There is an intuition which is trying to tell you here, because I got intuition and downloads. So intuitions are and downloads are happening inside of you because you're getting awakened. Okay, you're getting transformation. So downloads are happening inside of you, inside your soul, and you're getting more intuitive than before. 1 minute. Okay, yeah, now the brightness is right. So you have to listen to your intuition. Okay, listen deeply here. Then there is take charge and action. See bottom of the deck. You need to take charge of your life. Take action and charge of your life as soon as possible. Beautiful. Beautiful deck. And there is romance and connection. So there is a romance and connection. Maybe some of you Aquarius are receiving new love offers. The love is coming in your way. The romance are coming in your way. The new connections are coming for you. Okay, here can you see your singlehood time is over, and some of you Aquarius, you are going to experience love in your life now. So work on your intuitions Aquarius. Downloads are happening for you, and there is a romantic connection which is there for you. Beautiful message from this deck from angels, and thank you so much for giving the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one message from Everyday Miracle. Okay, this is a beautiful card, and let's add one message so that will help you out in your spiritual journey. Okay, for your everyday I can add this message. Let's see what is the message. Give me the message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius for February 2021. What is the message? I got two for you. Okay, see bottom of the deck, I'm having I am the light of the world. That is the only function, and that is why I am here. Okay, that is why you are here Aquarius. You are the light of the world. I told you, you are the light of the world, and that is the only function of you, that you are here on this planet earth to spread light. So just you need to work on your light area. Beautiful message. Fear is not justified in any form. The Holy Spirit will help you reinterpret everything that you perceive as fearful and teach you that only what is loving is true. So fear is a wasted emotion Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Fear is not justified in any form. You just need to get out of the fear. If you are trapped into fear and you are stuck into somewhere inside of a fear, just throw that fear out of your life. Fear is not at all for you, because you are the light. You are here to spread the light in the world. So you are the light. Know yourself, know your worth. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. Remember that where your heart is, there is your treasure also. Beautiful message. Wherever, remember, you need to remember that wherever your heart is, there is a treasure also. Beautiful message from this deck. Let's add some message from the journey within. One card from this deck, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what is the message. Got two. Okay. Full potential. At the core of our beings, lives are full potential, namely that each of us is a perfect part of a divine. By living in His awareness, we begin to realize that if we simply try our best to serve, we live in greatness. Beautiful message for you. So you just need to know that we are the perfect, we are the perfect part of the divine. Then there is the importance of appreciation. Just as we invest in our careers, we need to invest in our relationship. Be careful not to take near and dear ones for granted. Appreciation and affection that is not expressed is really understood. So you need to appreciate each other if you are having any kind of relation inside, in your circle, in your family. So appreciation is very much required, Aquarius. This is the importance of appreciation. I hope it is visible for you. So this was the general messages for Aquarius for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.